Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing messages on Instagram without the vanish mode. So if you want to send a message, photo, or video that disappears after being sent or seen as example, without using the vanish mode, Instagram offers a built-in ways to do that. So as an example, what you can send first of all that disappears. So you can send photos, videos, and voice/video notes. They don't disappear, but it cannot be saved. So what you'll have to do, all you need to do now is just go and click on your Instagram and go to the DM. So go to the DM that you basically want to have this feature enabled on it. So once you click on the DM and you open basically the chat of the person that you want to send the disappearing content to, you can go and click on the camera icon. Let's just start an example by the camera icon. As you can see, it's at the bottom left. So once we go and select that, we should find ourselves right here. So at the moment, let's just go and capture a video or a photo. So take a photo or hold to record basically a video. For me, I'm just going to take a small photo. So in this option, you'll find at the bottom left, allow replace or keep in chat. So, or even view once. So for view once, it will disappear after one view. Or if the other person sees it once, it's gone. They will not be able to see it anymore. And if you allow replay, people will be able and can be replayed only once. So people will be able to see it, and if they close it, they can go and see it again. And if you choose this option to keep in chat, this will send it as normal and it will keep or stay on chat. So as an example, let's just go and choose the view once option and click on send. Once we click on send example, here we'll find our photo. And now this photo, as you can see, it will be there only once. And when they try to view it, they will be able to view it, but only once. They cannot view it more. So now as an example, I just switch it to my other account and I'm going to the DMs and here we are. So we can go and check to view the photo. And as you can see, I view it. Now if I close it, I'll not be able to view it anymore. So the same, I'm just going to choose the other option. So I'm just going to take another photo and I'm going to make sure to have it allow replay. And it will let the other person view it one more time. So let me just go and switch as example account again. I guess I can switch from DMs. Yeah. So let me just go to this account and right here, we can just go and click on the photo. And as you can see, if I close it, I'll be able to go and view it one more time. So as you can see, you'll not be able even to take a screenshot if you want of this. So if you go right here and try to take a screenshot, you'll not be able to do so. And yeah, that's basically how to send disappearing photos/videos without the vanish mode. So this is what you basically can do. You cannot send, of course, disappearing text messages without using the vanish mode. So if you're trying, an example, to send messages, those messages will not vanish unless you have the vanish mode basically or disappearing mode enabled. So, but you can and send an example text message manually after sending it. So I send messages. I can just go and click on it and click on unsend. So unsend will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already. I'm just going to click on unsend. And as you can see, he will not even notice that I sent a message, especially if he didn't read it before I unsend it. And let's just check an example notifications. So there's no notifications. So when you unsend the message, even the notification goes away. Let me just go back to this account. And as you can see, there is no any sign of me that I deleted that message. So the disappearing contents will only work for photos/videos. And the recipients, of course, can take a screenshot unless it's blocked by Instagram, or you'll be notified if they do. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.